Luto po tayo ng pork. At lagyan natin ng beans. Baguio beans, guys. Para may ulam tayo. Ayan, guys. Bina-brown ko lang yung meat. Ayan. Pork belly po yan, guys. Yung ginamit ko. Ayan, guys. Mainit po dito sa amin. Gusto kong magsabaw pero mainit man. So, mag-pork with beans lang tayo. Ayan, guys. Ayan na po ang beans. Baguio beans. Nilagay ko na po siya. At lagyan natin ng red capsicum. Ayan. Yan lang, guys. Kasi wala tayong ibang malagay pa dyan. That's it. At lagyan natin, guys, ng kaunting soy sauce. At saka ano pa ba? Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa cabinet natin. Charot. Murag tinuod. Ayan na, guys. Meron na siyang soy sauce at saka kaunting oyster sauce ang linagay ko. Simple lang siya, guys, para lang tayo may ulam for lunch. Ayan, guys, kasi may pork belly ako sa ref. So, yan lang yung ating simple lunch for today. Charot. Happy Monday pala sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Simple but yummy. Charot. Ayan, guys. Ganyan lang siya. Simple lang siya, guys. At saka naluto na rin yung kanin natin. Mainit bagong luto yung kanin natin, guys. Para fresh na fresh. At meron akong danggit. May bulad tayo, guys, na danggit. Ayan, yung ulam natin. Simple lunch. Ayan, guys. Pork with beans with capsicum. Para pagwapa-gwapa. Mapula-pula yung ating pagkain. Charot. Ayan, guys. At kain na tayo. Guys, luto na yung linuto natin na pork and beans. Ayan, mainit pa siya. At saka yung danggit. Ayan yung danggit natin na leftover the other day. Ayan, guys, mga unata. Mora nga to ang sudan ron. Very simple but yummy. Ayan, guys, humuta sa bulad. Uy, char. Ayan, mga unata, guys. Samahan niyo ako kakain. Mauba ng Tagalog. I'm gonna use my hand para lami ang atong kaon, no?
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. They just don't belong. face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple dozens, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple dozens, go on pizza.
Ayan guys, tapos na po tayo kumain ng lunch. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next mukbang. Bye-bye!